you would have performed a better patent search. Is that it?
Exactly. That's why, after getting clobbered by the lawsuit, both emotionally and financially, we put all our emphasis on developing original products. Of course, as I said, our customers were the real catalyst for that.
I see.
Well, Nabu-san is undertaking a new project in hope of making eggs safer. The next power pop point is, not knowing is no excuse.
In 2004, an incident shook Japan's confidence in the quality of its eggs. A huge number of chickens at a facility in Kyoto Prefecture died of bird flu.
The situation could easily turn into a major crisis.
Because the disease was initially covered up, the damage worsened. More than 1 million potentially infected eggs made it to market. The incident undermined overall consumer confidence in eggs, and sales suffered. 1 year later, Nabu established a business to inspect eggs for bacterial infection. It was Japan's first. The lab receives egg samples from egg-laying and packaging facilities all over the Kyoto and Osaka area, and looks for the presence of E. coli and Salmonella. Currently, it receives about 150 requests per month. If bacteria is detected, the client is immediately notified. Today, Nambu is visiting an egg-laying facility in Kyoto Prefecture.
Hello.
Hi.
It's been a while.
Oh, yes, indeed.
How's everything?
The owner, Yuichi Toriuchi, is a customer of the lab, sending samples every month. Toriuchi suffered a setback during the bird flu epidemic when he couldn't make deliveries. The key to survival in his business, he believes, is consumer safety.
Before, we inspected eggs only by ourselves. But now, we can also rely on outside institutions, which is good.
Nabu is developing another inspection device, one capable of looking for bacteria without breaking the egg open. The device utilizes light rays and, if ultimately successful, will enable inspection of every egg prior to delivery. Safer eggs for everybody. Nambu's quest continues.
Your inspection lab, what was the primary reason for setting that up?
To be honest, we can't rely on voluntary inspection. Frankly speaking, people sometimes cheat. They may say they test, but don't. You hear nowadays about imported foods being labeled as domestic products. There must be some mechanism, a mechanism to prevent producers from cheating the consumers. The industry has to offer some kind of assurance. That's my feeling about this situation.
Nambu-san, what appeals to you about designing machinery for eggs?
Well, the appeal is in the complexity of the job. It's a difficult and tedious problem. Eggs are fragile. We are constantly, so to speak, walking on eggshells. It takes a while for an engineer to truly understand the fragility of eggs. But if you can egg yourself on, you're golden.
Okay.
In terms of dedication to the cause, we are probably number one in the world.
I see.
Therefore, our goal is to have our machines sort and package eggs the world over. That's our aim.
Certi, following the lawsuit, Namu-san really pulled things together.
Ordinarily, people would have simply patent searched more thoroughly the next time. But Nambu-san had a different notion. He felt he needed to dig deeper and truly listen to the customers. Actually, this is an important point. It's essential to develop products in tandem with your customers. Somehow, Nambu-san figured it out and was able to get down to the very root of it. That kind of ability may be the biggest asset of his company.
This was Business Legends, the Osaka Way. Mairo Okini.